The Occupy Central movement in Hong Kong continues to stage protests demanding the right to choose candidates in elections for the chief executive of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. The central government has responded, saying it firmly opposes any unlawful actions that undermine social stability. A spokesperson for China's Hong Kong and Macau Affairs Office said the central government fully trusts and supports the Hong Kong government's handling of the matter in accordance with the law. The National People's Congress Standing Committee has ruled that universal suffrage will begin in 2017, when the people of Hong Kong will be able to elect their chief executive from a list of candidates approved by a committee. The spokesperson said the decision was made after careful deliberation of the situation in Hong Kong and the views of various sectors of the local community. He said that the process is in strict accordance with the basic law and the decision is legally binding. The spokesperson said the central government hopes the people of Hong Kong will maintain stability and development in Hong Kong and make joint efforts to implement the election of the chief executive by universal suffrage in 2017.